The first time we watched the laser cut, it was very hard to comprehend how fast it was actually moving.
One of the areas in our company that we felt was falling behind was our plate processing department. We were looking at the option of adding more traditional plate processing machines, plasma, oxy-fuel for heavier capacity, and started looking into fiber laser.
Well, I think first and foremost, the reason why we started looking into laser is the speed. The speed is just on a whole nother level as far as cutting plate parts goes. And then on top of that, the accuracy.
Wanting to learn more about lasers, I reached out to my friend over at JPS International and to have a discussion with him and how it would benefit McWhirter Steel. He introduced us to HK Laser. We looked at a couple different options and agreed that it was the right choice for McWhirter Steel. Their partner with Inlight for the resonator was appealing to McWhirter Steel, being a US company. We were able to realize quickly that we made the right choice. The time to cut the parts, roughly 15 parts out, was under a minute and a half, which I of course assumed was impossible. We made the decision to go with the 20 kilowatt fiber laser based on the large quantity of connection plates that we have to produce on a daily basis.
I think that going with a 20 kilowatt HK laser has allowed us to run anything from gauge metal up to 2-inch on one machine, and with high accuracy and speed.
Due to the precision of this machine, it has opened many doors. We have taken on some stainless projects that we wouldn't have done in the past. We have taken on some plate processing for some specialty clients that we wouldn't have done in the past.
The difference between cutting something with plasma and laser, if we were cutting something that was 3/8 thick and it was running at, I don't know, 30 to 40 inches per minute, on our laser we're now running at 400 inches per minute.
What we discovered is it had the potential to produce in one shift what we were doing in 3 shifts.
You know, anytime there's a new machine, there's a learning curve, and HK has been very accessible through the learning curve and had people out here next day or same day if needed, if we were running into any issues.
The customer service and support has been exceptional. We depend heavily on these machines to meet our deadlines, to support our clients, and HK has really stood up to that.